That's actually nice. Yeah. Huh. I can't even, like, catch it, though. I don't catch it now. Oh. I see the lightning, and then my camera sees it after I see it. Wow, thunder. You know what? We come out here for lightning, and it thunders. You know what? I guarantee we go back in, and it's gonna lightning. Just bam, bam, bam. And come outside, thunder. You can catch it good. Because it lights up right there. Yeah, right there and right there. That's all it is. Over there, over there.
You're taking this video?
Video.
Mine's just completely dark, and then you see the lightning,
Well,
and
see,
everything's
I have my flash, so I can see stuff, but like,
yeah.
no, not, well, not this.
I mean, like a damn flash.
Oh.
I'm gonna walk out in the middle of the yard.
Yeah, we gotta like walk out. That's good. That's
weird. And walk out in the middle of the yard and possibly get stuck in the lightning.
dumb.
It's actually cold. It's right now.
It's cold.
As it's been in Oklahoma. This is the coldest it's been in Oklahoma right now.
It is. It's
like
like
65 degrees.
no, it's not, dude. It's like maybe 75. It lights up like the whole entire world, pretty much. My dad's windows is right there too.
Pictures of lightning from outer space.
No. What?